Welcome to the Cybertruck steering wheel replacement video. This video assumes that you have completed the preparation steps as outlined in a Tesla Cybertruck steering wheel prep video by Handmade EV. First things first, you need to pop the hood. Once you've popped the hood, you come inside the vehicle, you scroll all the way down in safety. Once you go to safety, you scroll all the way down, you hit power off. Once you power off the vehicle, this makes it to where you can go to the front. Now you will see the high voltage connection. Do not mess with that one. The one you're looking for is this one right next to it. This is so you can disconnect so the vehicle doesn't recalibrate the steering wheel. Upon removal, then you go to the steering wheel and you see these two areas here. You're going to need two small little things. I use these Allen wrenches. These are very small. You pop those in each side. Very easy. Doesn't go very far. It's like maybe in half an inch. And boom, now you've removed the airbag. There are two components that need to be removed. This first one here, it has two pins up top and bottom. You squeeze those, pop it out. I'll get a close-up view on this in a second as I pop this one out, so you can see that after the airbag is removed. So it's these two pins right here, 1 and 2. You push those in from either side, and it comes right out. So you can have the same thing with the steering control module here, and this is your heated steering wheel components and everything else. Same thing here, top and bottom, squeeze, pull out, just like that. Now this next step is where it gets tricky. You are going to need a large Allen wrench. I do not remember the size. I will put that up top. You go ahead and hold the steering wheel. I'm doing a one-man operation so you can see how it's done. This removed no problem. So after that's done, you go ahead and twist that out, you take that out, and then you remove the steering wheel. So this is the actual same lock nut that is in the Model 3, believe it or not. And you are done. You just reverse the steps, you put the steering wheel back on, it's no problem, and you are good to go.